Welcome to our channel. Today we how to start freelancing with Square easy tutorial step by step clearly. To start freelancing with Square, first, visit the Square website. Create an account by clicking on the sign up button. Fill in your personal information, including your name, email, and password. Click on the confirmation link sent to your email to activate your account. Next, set up your business profile by providing details about your services. Add a business name that represents your freelance work. Choose the category that best fits your services from the provided options. Upload a profile picture or logo to enhance your business profile. Once your profile is complete, navigate to the dashboard section. From the dashboard, explore the features available to freelancers. To manage payments, link your bank account to receive payments directly. Set up your payment options, choosing between card payments, digital wallets, and invoices. Next, create a service item by clicking on Items and then Add Item. Provide the name, description, and price of the service you are offering. If applicable, add photos or additional details to showcase the service. Once your items are set, go to the Invoices section to start creating invoices for your clients. Click on Create Invoice and fill in the necessary client information. Add the service item you created earlier and adjust any details if needed. Review the invoice and click Send to email it directly to your client. Keep track of your invoices and payments through the dashboard to stay organized. Explore additional tools in Square that can help manage your finances and customer relationships. Consider using the mobile app to manage your business on the go. Engage with clients and promote your services through social media and networking. Regularly update your profile and service offerings to attract more clients. By following these steps, you can successfully kickstart your freelancing journey using Square. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.